Hi there. Would you love to learn the 3 surprising ways that women leaders find inspiration? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about today. And if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Jennifer Jimenez, and I'm the founder and director of the Health and Wellbeing Division of Brave Thinking Institute. Here at Brave Thinking Institute, we are the premier training center for transformational coaching. So, what are these 3 surprising ways that women leaders find inspiration? Well, I'm going to be unpacking a quick story and teaching these 3 ways inside of the story. So, over a decade ago, I was traveling with my mother, who is a thought leader. She is an incredible woman leader. She was one of my greatest inspirations. She's also the founder of the Brave Thinking Institute. Now, this was back when our institute wasn't branded yet as the Brave Thinking Institute. And we had traveled to the East Coast, and she was giving a keynote talk. And it had been a very busy weekend. And I'll always remember the morning that we woke up. Most people in her position at that time, in my experience, would have woken up a bit tired, maybe exhausted after a long 3 days of pouring into people and teaching. And the first surprising thing that occurred, which is your first surprising way that women leaders find inspiration, is that she found inspiration in just the pure, simple fact that she was breathing. I know that might seem silly to some, but women leaders who are true leaders don't take a single day for granted. And the term that we love as a family that my mother will say is that today is a brand new baby day, a day that will never be lived again, that is ours to cherish and to suck the marrow out of aliveness. And so your first surprising way to be inspired is to remember that today is a brand new baby day. Now, as we moved along our day, the second way that was so fabulous that she was inspired was here we are at the airport now, and we've checked our luggage and we're now transitioning from check-in all the way to our gate. And we were about to head on to an escalator, and there was this huge banner above the escalator, and it said, "America was built on brave thinking." And I'll always remember that moment because it was as if it took her breath away in all the best ways. And she said, "That's it. Brave thinking. That's exactly what has created this incredible, innovative nation." And it is, I think, going to be the name of our new branded institute, the Brave Thinking Institute, because nothing gets created through common hour thinking or limiting thinking, but it is through brave thinking, bold action taking, and brilliant dream building that we can bring our dreams to life. Now, the third surprising way that women leaders find inspiration is in small interactions, what we call being a person of increase. So once we went through the escalator and now we're waiting in line and we're in this switchback line and we go to hand our ticket to, the ticket taker and we're there in the line. And what I just am so grateful to have a mother and to have had a leader in my life, a mentor in my life who demonstrates what could feel like seemingly meaningless interactions, she creates meaningful connections. And she'll say, "How are you? How's your day? What's something wonderful going on in your day today?" And so every interaction, as much as she can remember to do, she makes those interactions meaningful instead of meaningless. And so your third surprising way to find inspiration is to create it ultimately and to be a person of increase. So I have loved sharing with you these concepts. The first is today is a brand new baby day, to take full to really suck the marrow out of aliveness, to notice things around you, to notice what you're noticing. There's inspiration maybe in a simple sign or a book or something that you're passing by. And if you notice, you can be inspired. And then the third is through simple interactions to make those moments of inspiration, moments of increase, to create meaningful connections in simple moments. So I hope you've loved these 3 inspiring ways that women leaders find inspiration. I know I have been greatly inspired by these myself. If you know someone who could use a little spark of inspiration today, please share this video with them. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video so that you can also receive more inspiring messages from us. And I have a free gift for you, and it's called the Confidence Kit. And it's 3 fun ways for you to create even more confidence in just 5 minutes or less a day. So I encourage you to click the button to go ahead and download that free gift. It's an ebook and a guided meditation. And we look forward to continuing to serve you in creating and living a life that you absolutely love. Until next time, think bravely.